Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shruti. In this video, I will show you how to locate the elements on a web page using two powerful Chrome extensions. They are SelectorsHub and ChroPath. Both of these tools help us to create, verify, and test the selectors like XPath and CSS. Okay, so how to get these extensions or plugin? Simple. Click on this three dots at the top right corner, that is customize and control Google Chrome, and mouse over on extensions and select visit Chrome Web Store. Here in this search extensions, type your plugin name, Selectors Hub. Press enter. Click on the first link and select add to Chrome and select add extension. It will ask to sync. Next, in the same search box, type ChroPath. Press enter and select the first link and select add to Chrome and select add extension. Okay, now how to verify these two plugins are added? So I'll go to Amazon. I'll inspect some element, right click, and so here only we can see Selectors Hub. So go to inspect, we can see Chrome and this both ChroPath and Selectors Hub. Here, if you can see, we got both ChroPath and Selectors Hub. So we can use either of them to identify the locators. Okay, to use these extensions, right click on any element and select inspect and select the extensions ChroPath or plugin. So if you click on ChroPath, you can see it has given us the XPath, relative XPath, CSS selector, and other options to select the locators. And if you click on Selectors Hub, it has given CSS selector, relative XPath, and some options to identify the elements. Okay, so if you want to use these locators for your script, click on this copy icon and paste it in your script. Now let us write our own locator and validate that using the extensions. So right click on this and select inspect. So let us write our own locators. So here as we can see, we have username. ID is equal to username. So in CSS selector, to identify the username, what we need to do? What we need to add? We need to add hash at the beginning. So I'm just copying the username, copy, and to identify that, I'm doing Ctrl F and hash and paste that. And you can see 1 out of 1, that is only one matching elements. So here I'm taking CSS selector and I'm using ID. So how to identify the ID inside CSS selector? By using hash at the beginning. Now let us copy this and let us go to ChroPath or CSS selector and paste that here and press enter. So here also it is saying one matching element. So it means whatever the locators we have found, that is correct. Okay. So this is how you can use these plugins to create and verify the locators. So take any application of your choice, add these two plugins and try to identify the elements. Please do practice. Okay. So we'll meet you in the next section. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.